Hello friends, this video is about right, left and row formulas of Excel. Let's start the video. Let's see how the right formula work. Equal. Right, press tab. Open bracket. Select the cell comma, we will take 4 characters, enter. Drag. Down. Let's jump to second formula. Equal left. Press tab. Open bracket. Select the cell, add comma, we will take 4 characters, press enter. Drag. Down. Here we go, it worked. Let's see how the row formula works. To add the reference number for each row, select the cells. Equal row. Press tab. Open bracket, close bracket, minus 1. Control enter. Now if we delete any row, it will not affect the series of the numbers. Please like the video and subscribe the channel to meet again and again.